أَمَّن يَهْدِيكُمْ فِي ظُلُمَاتِ الْبَرِّ وَالْبَحْرِ وَمَن يُرْسِلُ الرِّيَاحَ بُشْرًا بَيْنَ يَدَيْ رَحْمَتِهِ أَإِلَٰهٌ مَّعَ اللَّهِ تَعَالَى اللَّهُ عَمَّا يُشْرِكُونَ.
Who is it who guides you through the darkness on land and sea, and who sends winds as heralds of good tidings ahead of His mercy? Is there any God associated with Allah in this task? Exalted be Allah above whatever they associate with Him in His divinity.
أَمَّن يَبْدَأُ الْخَلْقَ ثُمَّ يُعِيدُهُ وَمَن يَرْزُقُكُم مِّنَ السَّمَاءِ وَالْأَرْضِ أَإِلَٰهٌ مَّعَ اللَّهِ قُلْ هَاتُوا بُرْهَانَكُمْ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ.
Who is it who creates in the first instance and then repeats it? Who is it who provides you with sustenance from the heavens and the earth? Is there any God associated with Allah in these tasks? Say, bring forth your evidence if you are truthful.
قُل لَّا يَعْلَمُ مَن فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ الْغَيْبَ إِلَّا اللَّهُ وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ أَيَّانَ يُبْعَثُونَ.
Say, none in the heavens or on the earth has knowledge of the unseen save Allah. They do not know when they will be raised to life.
بل ادارك علمهم في الآخرة بل هم في شك منها بل هم منها عمون.
Nay, but they have lost their knowledge of the hereafter. They are steeped in doubt and uncertainty about it. Rather, they are blind to it.
وقال الذين كفروا أإذا كنا ترابا وآباؤنا أئنا لمخرجون.
The unbelievers say, when we become dust, we and our forefathers, shall we really be brought out from our graves?
لقد وعدنا هذا نحن وآباؤنا من قبل إن هذا إلا أساطير الأولين.
We were told about this, and so were our forefathers before us. But these are no more than fairy tales that have been recounted from ancient times.
قل سيروا في الأرض فانظروا كيف كان عاقبة المجرمين.
Say, go about through the earth and see what has been the end of the evildoers.
ولا تحزن عليهم ولا تكن في ضيق مما يمكرون.
O Prophet, do not grieve over them, nor be distressed at their designs.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
They also say, tell us when this threat will come to pass, if you are truthful.
قل عسى أن يكون ردف لكم بعض الذي تستعجلون.
The chastisement whose hastening you've been asking for, maybe a part of it has drawn quite near to you.
وَإِنَّ رَبَّكَ لَذُو فَضْلٍ عَلَى النَّاسِ وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَهُمْ لَا يَشْكُرُونَ.
Indeed, your Lord is exceedingly bountiful to mankind, yet most of them do not give thanks.
وَإِنَّ رَبَّكَ لَيَعْلَمُ مَا تُكِنُّ صُدُورُهُمْ وَمَا يُعْلِنُونَ.
Verily, your Lord knows all that their hearts conceal, as well as all that they reveal.
وما من غائبة في السماء والأرض إلا في كتاب مبين.
There's nothing that is hidden, be it in the heaven or the earth, but is recorded in a clear book.
إن هذا القرآن يقص على بني إسرائيل أكثر الذي هم فيه يختلفون.
Surely, this Quran explains to the children of Israel most of the matters concerning which they have disagreements.
وإنه لهدى ورحمة للمؤمنين.
And it is a guidance and mercy for the believers.
إن ربك يقضي بينهم بحكمه وهو العزيز العليم.
Indeed, your Lord will decide between them by His judgment. He is almighty, all-knowing.
فتوكل على الله إنك على الحق المبين.
So put your trust in Allah, for you are on the manifest truth.
إنك لا تسمع الموتى ولا تسمع الصم الدعاء إذا ولوا مدبرين.
Surely you cannot make the dead hear you, nor can you make the deaf hear your call if they turn back in flight.
وما أنت بهاد العمي عن ضلالتهم إن تسمع إلا من يؤمن بآياتنا فهم مسلمون.
Nor can you direct the blind to the right way, preventing them from falling into error. You can make only those who believe in our verses to hear the call and then submit.
وإذا وقع القول عليهم أخرجنا لهم دابة من الأرض تكلمهم أن الناس كانوا بآياتنا لا يوقنون.
And when the time for the fulfillment of our word against them will come, we shall bring forth for them a beast from the earth who will speak to them, because people did not believe in our signs.
ويوم نحشر من كل أمة فوجا ممن يكذب بآياتنا فهم يوزعون.
Just imagine the day when we shall muster from every nation a large group of those who gave the lie to our signs, and they shall be duly arranged in ranks.
حتى إذا جاءوا قال أكذبتم بآياتي ولم تحيطوا بها علما أم ماذا كنتم تعملون.
Until when all of them have arrived, Allah will say, did you give the lie to my signs, even without encompassing them with your knowledge? If that is not so, what did you do?
ووقع القول عليهم بما ظلموا فهم لا ينطقون.
And the word will come to pass against them because of their wrongdoing. They will then be able to utter nothing.
ألم يروا أنا جعلنا الليل ليسكنوا فيه والنهار مبصرا إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يؤمنون.
Did they not perceive that we had made the night so that they may repose in it, and made the day clear and shining? Surely there are signs in this for those who believe.
ويوم ينفخ في الصور ففزع من في السماوات ومن في الأرض إلا من شاء الله وكل أتوه داخرين.
The day when the trumpet will be blown, all those who are in the heavens and on the earth shall be terror-stricken, all except those whom Allah wills, and everyone shall come to Him utterly abject.
وترى الجبال تحسبها جامدة وهي تمر مر السحاب صنع الله الذي أتقن كل شيء إنه خبير بما تفعلون.
You now see the mountains and consider them firmly fixed, but then they shall pass away, even as clouds pass away. That will be the handiwork of Allah, who has created everything with perfect wisdom. He is well aware of what you do.
من جاء بالحسنة فله خير منها وهم من فزع يومئذ آمنون.
Whosoever comes with good will receive a reward better than his deed, and they will be made secure from the terror of that day.
ومن جاء بالسيئة فكبت وجوههم في النار هل تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون.
And whosoever comes with evil, they will be flung upon their faces into the fire. Will you be recompensed for aught other than what you do?
إنما أمرت أن أعبد رب هذه البلدة الذي حرمها وله كل شيء وأمرت أن أكون من المسلمين.
Tell them, O Muhammad, I have been commanded only to serve the Lord of the city that He has made inviolable, to serve Him to whom all things belong. I have been commanded to be of those that submit to Allah.
وأن أتلو القرآن فمن اهتدى فإنما يهتدي لنفسه ومن ضل فقل إنما أنا من المنذرين.
And to recite the Quran. So whosoever is guided, his guidance will be to his own good. As for those who stray, tell them, I'm none but a warner.
وقل الحمد لله سيريكم آياته فتعرفونها وما ربك بغافل عما تعملون.
And say, all praise be to Allah, who will soon show you His signs that you will recognize. Your Lord is not unaware of what you do.